Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to tell you that you can definitely make Live Good a primary source of income. You can make Live Good a primary source of income. Every single day I run into so many people that are sharing different opportunities with me, and a lot of them look great. They do. They absolutely look great, and I appreciate each and every person that shares things with me. But let me tell you the reason why a lot of times I bypass some of the things that are shared with me, and that's because some of the models look like things that I've seen in the past. Some of the compensation plans look a little bit too far fetched and a little bit out of reach or unattainable for the average person. And that's what we have to look at. We have to look at, can the average person secure an income, or can they secure the model of being able to create a solid income with that particular platform? Is it sustainable, not just for the company? We're not thinking about it as far as the company in that per se, but is it sustainable for your purse or your pocketbook or your wallet? Can you continue to pay the auto ship monthly, or can you continue to pay the outlay that's needed until you start seeing some kind of profit or some kind of momentum that's going to give you a yielding off of your efforts? And like I said, Live Good can be, and for so many people around the globe will be, a primary source of income. It has proven itself to be a winner. It is showing so many people around the globe that they have the products that are needed by the masses. And not only that, I have to look at it in this regard. The sustainability. What does the company really want? What does the owner of the company want? Whether the affiliates, the owner slash affiliates of the company, those that are behind the product, want? What is their mission? What is their vision for this company? And the vision is clear. The vision shows you, and it reeks of sustainability. It reeks of long term. It reeks of generational wealth. And so I am going to say unequivocally, I feel that Live Good is nothing short of a miracle for so many people, including myself. The products that I've been taking, and this is actually getting ready to be, this is my fifth order that I place, my fifth order. And I can honestly say I am encouraging everyone every single month. Hey, how do you feel? Good. How do you feel? I'm asking them, I'm encouraging them to tell me how you really feel. Let me know what you're really feeling. No fluff here. And for me, I see the changes in my numbers. I see the changes in my moods. And not that I have too many mood swings, but some days you just feel blah. That's just natural. And then some days you're like, I have zest of energy. I can perform. I can give more time to my team. I can give more time to Zooms. I can make more videos, explainer videos to help my team get through step by step. And when you have that kind of energy, trust me, you think more and more and more that the position that you place yourself in with the company that you place yourself with is solid. And so, yes, I can say it without hesitation that Live Good is a primary company, and it should be primary for so many people for three different reasons. Number one, compensation plan. Number two, the products that they have. And number three, the sustainability that they're proven that they're going to be able to have, and what they're doing at the alarming rate of growth that we're experiencing. Those three alone, in this market space, in this niche space, a lot of companies have not been able to say that. They have not been able to say all three, maybe one, but they haven't been able to say all three where it affects the masses, where it affects everybody that's involved. So you ask me on a day-to-day basis, is Live Good a primary company, Miss Cassandra? Would you stop everything else and just build Live Good, well, I'm just going to give you a little bird's eye view. I have been solely promoting Live Good offline in a lot of my mailings. I do other things, that's true enough, but it's more of a service providing. But as far as putting myself out there, standing behind products, it has been Live Good all the way. Even on social media, it has been mainly Live Good all the way. Anybody that knows me knows that I want people to feel good. I want people to be happy. You know, that's an internal thing. I want people to have a satisfactory life, and beyond satisfactory, actually, an exemplary life. You know, and I believe starting with your health, working your way inside out, you can actually do that with Live Good. So yes, Live Good is a primary state type of company, and you have to look at it. Many years ago, there was a young man, and I'm not calling out any names, there was a young man that had left a legacy. He's left a legacy from the nutritional company that he had built, took years to build, and had amassed over $500,000 payout every single month like clockwork. And he was able to endow that to his family, benefact that to his family, so that they can have a secure life for generations to come. That company is still around, and it is poised just like I feel is going on with Live Good. You can do the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. You can make Live Good your primary business opportunity, and while you make it as your primary business opportunity, you can pretty much etch and stone it that it will be here for generations to come. So if you want to think of a Christmas gift, if you want to think of an anniversary gift, if you want to think of a parting gift, or something that you're actually going to leave behind for your family, know that you can leave the legacy of Live Good and endow this to your family so that they can prosper for years to come. And not only that, financially, but they'll be the healthiest family and the wealthiest family within the Live Good section. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for allowing me to speak to you all this evening. If you're not a part of the Live Good family as of yet, click the link below. We'd love to have you. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that each time that I upload a video, you'll know that it's coming straight to you. You'll get that notification button. Go ahead and hit it, and you'll know every time I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. I thank you so much for your time, and I assure you, Live Good is the place to be. Yeah, have a good one, and God bless.